Hey guys, I hope you have wonderful day. So today I am going to show you how to create backlinks using medium.com. So this is my website. Now I am going to create backlink for this website. First of all, I have to go to medium.com. When I go to medium.com, I will see this kind of interface. So I click on get started. So after that I click on sign up with Google. So you have to create medium.com account for post your articles. This is really easy method. You don't need to write any content for build backlink using medium.com. You can use your website article to publish on medium.com. My internet connection is a little bit slow, so I click on my Gmail address. Now I can add my full name and email address here, but I will customize this later. So I click on create account. Then I go to this page. So now I click on my avatar icon and click on setting, or just click on profile. Now I can click on edit profile and edit the profile information. So I will edit it like this and I will see you after I edit it. Okay, nice. I just change the name and add little description. So you can do better than this. So after you do it, just click on save. I think I forget to mention about medium.com. So medium.com is huge online publishing platform, and there has lot of bloggers who add their content to medium.com, and you can also earn money by publishing your article on medium.com. But today we are discuss about create web 2.0 backlink. So let's continue. Okay, now I have to click on my avatar icon. After that I click on stories. Currently I don't have any stories, but I can import my early articles onto medium.com. To do that, I click on import a story. When I click on import a story, I will get a place to add my website URL. So I will add my website URL. I will add this article URL. So I copy it and paste it on here. After that I will click on import. So it will import my all details of or all content on this blog post. If I click on see your story, it will show this content. It should come with images, but images not important. By the way, let's modify the structure and I will see you after modify this structure as I want. I will remove those space. Okay, this is a WYSIWYG editor. So WYSIWYG means what you see what you get. As I remember, yeah, what you see what you get. So if I click on this plus mark, I can add image, HTML tag and other stuff. If I highlight this one, I can make it bold, italic or link. So I can make it quote like that. So this is really great editor. So I will add image to here. So I click on this plus button and click on this icon. After that I will find image to upload here. So I will add another image in here. Press enter and I will search it on Unsplash. Okay, great. So now it's time to add our link on this article and get backlink. So I will press enter and I will type like click here to let's add like check more login this. Then I will make it like this and I will bold it. Then I will convert this to link. The link will be in this. If someone click this link, he or she will redirect to my website. So I will put this on places like this. Do it wisely. I just do it for testing purpose only, but when you do it wisely. Also you can add more link. So if you highlight like this pop-up window will appear and I will will click on link. After that I can add another link. Let's copy this link and okay, let's convert this to link. So I highlight it and paste my link here. Nice. Now I am satisfied with this blog. So now I can click on publish. When I click on publish, I can change this image if I want. If I click here, I will able to select any image that located on my article. So I will use this image. Also I can add tags or keyword related to this article. So keyword will be login tips, login for business. Okay, you can add 5 keyword like this. After that you can click on publish now. When you click on publish now, it will publish under your profile. So if I go to my profile, also you can share this on social media or you can copy link. By the way, I close it. If I go to my profile, the article will look like this. So I will add my old article to Medium, and when visitors like to our article and if they want to read more article, they will come to our website and we will automatically build backlink using medium.com. So also you can check the status of your profile using here. So using this window. So this is the video. This is great and easy way to create high quality web 2.0 backlink. In next video I will show you another way to create high quality backlink. So I will see you